Well, hello everybody and welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing a product review and a test on the Pink Stuff multi-purpose spray cleaner and the Pink Stuff cleaning paste. Now, supposedly you can clean a wide variety of different things with the Pink Stuff spray, as well as the cleaning paste. So I have used this the Pink Stuff cleaning paste on like plastic, metal, wood, and glass. All right, but I've never actually used this, which is almost the same stuff, but this spray in a tub. So let's do a comparison on both of them and see which one works better. Let's get started. All right, so right here, this is the bottom of my tub, and I do apologize ahead of time. Okay, it's not massively dirty, but it is dirty a little bit, especially right along the top of the tub here, as well as the bottom and inside the walls and stuff like that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this right there, and I'm going to set this right here. Now, this that from the tub from here over is going to be cleaned with the Pink Stuff Cleaning Miracle cleaning paste, and from this to over here is going to be done with the Pink Stuff. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take, all right, so first thing I'm going to do, sorry about that, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray. And that should be that. Okay. Now this was done by this, or is used by this. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rag here, clean it. The stuff does have a little bit of strong odor to it, but it's not like bad, but it does have a little strong odor. Okay. Do this. Hard water buildup right there. Okay, same this. Okay, remember from here over, so right here. Now here's where all the hard soap scum stains get all through here. So I'm gonna do this, like this, get all nice and good, right. Right here like this, do this, like this, right, like that. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. I'm going to go ahead and turn the water on, rinse it all down, and see the difference. Like that. Rinse my hands off, hands get soapy too. Like this. Sorry for the hair. Now this right here, like so. Like that. Make sure it's really good. That's where the hard water builds up there. Okay, do this and that. Okay, so we turn the water off. Set that there. All right, so this spray, the Pink Stuff Miracle Spray, did from here over. Now, got some spots right here. I don't know if that's rust or not, like little bits of spots of rust. So didn't do that. If that didn't come up, okay. So far it didn't do such a bad job. Did still got hard water buildup, right? Water stain. All right, now we're going to go from here over with this stuff. Okay, take the paste like this, set that right there, and All right, so let's put the cover back on and let's do this. All right, so we used the same name, just two different products, and this is the outcome on both of them. All right, hopefully you can see that. All this is all clean. All right, so this was done from this half of the tub over. And that's what it looks like. Just like that. Hope you all can see this. All right, we're gonna go over this way. See? All that. All right, now from this half right here over this way was done with the spray. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. Okay, like that. The wall. This is where the drain is. And there's still the hard water buildup right there, which did not take it off. Okay. Here's this side of the wall right here. This is the this is the bottom of the tub. We used to spray up for this side right here, and there is a hard water stain right here. A little bit right here, like a light stain here, and it's heavy right here. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the paste here, take a little bit on this rag, a little bit on the rag like that, set that down, put the cap on it, so just in case it doesn't dry out. All right, now we're gonna do this. Go around the whole entire thing like so. Let's make sure that we get it all. And do right here as well. Okay, now we put this down there. Turn the water back on. Rinse my hand off. Stuff gets slicky. And there it goes. Right there for just for a few seconds here, so you can stay. All right. Yep. So that right there, the hard water stain right here is gone. And this is what I used. The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. This cleaned this. So here are my thoughts on these two products, which is the Pink Stuff Spray, the Pink Stuff Paste. If you have a lot of hard water buildup, a lot of heavy deep stains in your tub, the spray is not going to do it. But the paste will. Now the reason why I say that is because you just saw that little section of the tub, right where the water comes out, there was a water stain. Okay? Like a yellowish water stain. I cleaned it with this first. It didn't do nothing. I cleaned it with this, and it took it away in a heartbeat. Like say if you want to clean a microwave or clean the inside of a sink, all right, and the inside of your sink has a lot of hard, like really dirty and stuff like that, all right, you can use this. Okay, if you have like light stuff, like just regular light stuff where you know you don't have to put a lot of elbow grease in it, this spray would be good. I would use the paste for extreme heavy duty stuff. For light duty stuff, like really light duty stuff, I always use the spray. That's my thoughts. So it looks like I'm gonna be stocking up on some the Pink Stuff heavy duty the paste, because it seems to be that stuff works a lot better. All right, everybody, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope this video was helpful or is helpful. If it does, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell so when I post a new video, you'll all be notified. So, I will link these two. I will link these two products down in the description box below. Even though they are the same thing, just one spray, one's paste. But I will link them down in the description box below. So if you want to click on it, go check it out yourself or try it out yourself. Which again, the paste seems to do a lot better than the spray. All right, like I said, if you have light stuff, spray works. If you have heavy duty stuff, the paste works better. So. All right, folks, that's going to be it. So, y'all have a good one. Bye.